What if I told you that Hollywood celebrities have been secretly drinking a simple concoction before bed that makes them wake up looking and feeling a decade younger? What if this wasn't an expensive treatment, but something you probably already have in your kitchen right now? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this revolutionary drink is, and more importantly, why it works like magic while you sleep. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, because I'm about to share information that the anti-aging industry doesn't want you to know. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning, look in the mirror, and instead of seeing tired eyes, dull skin, and that overall exhausted look that's become your normal, you see a vibrant, energized version of yourself. Your skin is glowing, your eyes are bright, and you feel like you could conquer the world. This isn't a fantasy. This is exactly what thousands of people are experiencing after making one simple change to their nighttime routine. I'm talking about a bedtime drink that works on a cellular level while you sleep, literally reversing the damage that stress, poor diet, and aging have done to your body. But here's the thing. It's not what you think. It's not some exotic superfood or expensive supplement. It's a carefully crafted combination of ingredients that triggers your body's natural regeneration processes, working harder than any cream, serum, or treatment you've ever tried. Let's be honest about what's really happening to your body right now. Every single night as you sleep, your body is supposed to be in full repair mode. Your cells should be regenerating, your hormones should be balancing, and your energy should be restoring. But for most people over 30, this natural process is broken. Instead of waking up refreshed and renewed, you wake up feeling older, more tired, and wondering where your vitality went. The culprit? Your body's detoxification system is overwhelmed. Your cellular repair mechanisms are sluggish. And your natural production of growth hormone, the hormone that literally keeps you young, is declining rapidly. This is why you can sleep 8 hours and still feel exhausted. This is why your skin looks dull despite expensive skincare routines. This is why you feel like you're aging faster than you should be. But what if there was a way to flip the switch back on? What if you could activate your body's natural fountain of youth while you sleep? That's exactly what this bedtime drink does. It contains 3 specific compounds that work synergistically to supercharge your overnight recovery, boost cellular regeneration, and literally turn back the clock on aging. Let me share the science behind this. Recent studies from Harvard Medical School and the Mayo Clinic have identified specific nutrients that dramatically enhance sleep quality and cellular repair. When consumed in the right combination at the right time, these compounds create what researchers call the regenerative sleep state, a deep, restorative sleep that maximizes your body's natural anti-aging processes. The first compound increases your deep sleep phases by up to 40%. The second compound boosts growth hormone production by 30%. And the third compound activates autophagy, your body's cellular cleanup system, removing damaged cells and toxins while you sleep. Together, they create a powerful anti-aging cocktail that works better than any expensive treatment. I know you're eager to learn what these ingredients are, and I promise I'll reveal everything in just a moment. But first, if this information is valuable to you, show me by hitting that like button. It helps more people discover these life-changing secrets, and it tells me you want more content like this. The base is warm, filtered water. Not just any water, but water that's been properly filtered to remove toxins that interfere with cellular repair. To this foundation, you add 3 specific ingredients that work together like a symphony of youth restoration. The first ingredient is raw, unfiltered honey. Not the processed honey from the grocery store, but real honey that contains over 200 bioactive compounds. This honey provides your brain with the exact type of fuel it needs for deep, restorative sleep. It also contains antioxidants that fight cellular damage and minerals that support hormone production. The second ingredient is pure magnesium glycinate. Most people are severely deficient in magnesium, and this deficiency is directly linked to poor sleep quality, accelerated aging, and chronic fatigue. Magnesium glycinate is the most bioavailable form, meaning your body can actually use it. It relaxes your nervous system, improves sleep quality, and activates over 300 enzymatic processes involved in cellular repair. The third ingredient is what I call the youth activator, organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. This isn't just for digestion. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar activates AMPK, an enzyme that literally switches on your body's anti-aging pathways. It also helps regulate blood sugar throughout the night, preventing the hormonal disruptions that age you prematurely. Here's exactly how to prepare this youth-restoring elixir. Start with 8 ounces of warm, filtered water. Add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered honey and stir until completely dissolved. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of magnesium glycinate powder and 1 teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. Stir gently and drink it 30 minutes before bed. The timing is crucial. 30 minutes gives your body enough time to begin processing these nutrients before you fall asleep, but not so long that you'll need to wake up during the night. The warm water helps with absorption and signals to your body that it's time to wind down. Why does this combination work so incredibly well? It's all about synergy. The honey provides sustained glucose to your brain, preventing middle-of-the-night cortisol spikes that fragment your sleep and accelerate aging. The magnesium activates your parasympathetic nervous system, shifting your body into deep repair mode. And the apple cider vinegar optimizes your pH levels and activates cellular cleanup processes. Together, they create the perfect internal environment for regeneration. Your growth hormone production increases. Your cellular repair mechanisms kick into high gear. Your detoxification pathways work more efficiently. And you wake up feeling like a completely different person. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. This sounds too simple to work. But that's the beauty of it. The most powerful solutions are often the simplest ones. Your body already knows how to regenerate and repair itself. It just needs the right support and environment to do so effectively. This isn't about adding more complexity to your life. It's about removing the barriers that are preventing your body from doing what it naturally wants to do, keep you young, healthy, and vibrant. But the anti-aging benefits are just the beginning. People report improved digestion, better mental clarity, more stable moods, and increased metabolism. Some even notice that their cravings for unhealthy foods disappear, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. This happens because quality sleep regulates the hormones that control hunger and metabolism. The question isn't whether this works. Thousands of people are already experiencing these incredible results. The question is whether you're ready to make this simple change tonight. Your future self will thank you for taking this step toward reclaiming your youth and vitality. If you found this information valuable and you're ready to start your transformation, subscribe to this channel for more anti-aging secrets that actually work. Hit that notification bell so you never miss content that could change your life. And most importantly, try this tonight. Your journey to feeling 10 years younger starts with a single sip. Remember, every night you wait is another night your body isn't getting the support it needs to repair and regenerate. The choice is yours. Continue accepting that aging and fatigue are inevitable, or take control with this simple, powerful solution. Sweet dreams, and here's to waking up feeling younger tomorrow. See you on the next video. Bye.